Welcome to the Contact Journal Form tutorial guide by Everybody Sheets. In this video, we will show you how to access your digital download and demonstrate the instructions in the Quick Start Guide. Before we get started, let's go over the requirements. The Contact Journal Form is a Google product, so you will need a Google account with Google Forms and Google Sheets. We also recommend using a desktop computer or laptop with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox for the setup process. Step 1. Getting a Google account. If you do not have a Google account already, you can create an account for free. Open your web browser and go to www.google.com and then click the blue sign in button. Click the Create Account link and follow the prompts to complete your account setup process. Feel free to pause this video at any time and come back when you are ready to continue on to the next step. Step 2. Downloading your template. Open the Digital Download Instructions PDF file that you received in your confirmation email from Everybody Sheets. Then, click the button that says Download Here. Once the form loads, click the blue Use Template button to download a copy of our Contact Journal form into your Google Drive. Feel free to rename your form or click the folder icon to move your sheet to an appropriate location within your Google Drive. Step 3. Linking your form to a Google Sheet. With your form now open and saved in your Google Drive, you can now review it and make any changes you like to customize the form to your needs. You can add, edit, remove questions, or change the order in which they appear. All changes should be made before linking to a spreadsheet. Once you are satisfied with your form, click the Responses tab on the top section of the form, and then click the option to link to Sheets. Select the option to create a new spreadsheet. This will save all form submissions in a spreadsheet in your Google Drive. Step 4. Getting the link to your form. To get your link, open your form and click the Send button. In the Send Via row, click the link icon. Then click the button to copy your link. Once your link is copied, open a new tab and paste your link in the address bar. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V or on a Mac use Command-V to paste your link. Then press Enter to load your form. You are now ready to submit responses. Step 5. Adding contacts to your form. To add a contact, simply open your form and fill it out. By default, the category and name are the only required fields. The remaining questions are optional. If you don't have all the information on hand, you can leave the optional questions unanswered. You can edit contact information later on in your linked spreadsheet. When you are finished typing in your contact information, press the Submit button to save this contact as an entry in your attached Google Sheet. If you have another contact to add, you can click the option to submit another response in the confirmation window. Step 6. Viewing your contacts. Once you have entered some contacts, you can view them in your linked spreadsheet. Open your form, then click the Responses tab. Click the link to view in Sheets. You can also find your spreadsheet in your Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com and browse to your file, or you may find it in your recent items. Helpful tip: sorting and editing your contacts. You can use the built-in sort feature to keep your contacts organized. With your response sheet open, simply click the down arrow on any column header, select Sort Column, and then choose the direction A to Z for low to high, or Z to A for high to low. You can also modify contacts by simply typing in the fields. If you need to remove a contact, you can right-click any row and select Delete Row. Helpful tip: creating bookmarks. Make your form easier to find in your web browser. With your form open, press Ctrl-D or Command-D on a Mac, or click the star icon to create a bookmark in your favorites bar. If you prefer, you can create a new folder to stay organized. You can also make a shortcut for your response sheet. Sign into the free Google Drive app with your account to access your form on a mobile device. Just open the app and browse to your form. With your form open, click the share icon to find and copy your form link, then open the link in a web browser on your phone. On some devices, you can create a shortcut or widget to your form right on your home screen for quick access. This will make it easier to add contacts on the go. If you need more help, don't worry. Use the link in your digital download PDF file to join our Facebook support group for community feedback, or email your question to us at info@everybodysheets.com, and we're happy to help. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you found our tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more products from Everybody Sheets.